year 2023 when we start watching travel vlog of a wonderful family that is going around the Philippines. We got inspired to also travel around to appreciate the nature. Then at the same time, we are making wonderful memories for our family, saving our videos on YouTube so they can watch it when they grow up and when we grow old. We don't have heavy rig for camping or camper van, but our expander takes us to where we wanna go. It's been with us since the year end of 2023 and we started to get the things that we need for camping. Tapos heto na tayo, starting our family adventures, camping, travel and love, and making more happy memories with my family this year 2025 and onwards. Minsan mahirap ang daan, hindi alam kung uulanin o magiging maganda ba ang panahon. Pero ang importante, sama-samang pamilya at masayang gumagawa ng mga happy memories. This is Ate Yana, Kuya CJ, Bunso Zian, my wife Jazz, and me, Marvin. We are the Z family.
With family friends.
Tara, tanawin natin ang kalikasan. So ayun, ngayon nasa dagat tayo. Kasama natin syempre yung mga family friends natin. Ito nga pala yung setup namin ngayon. Dala namin yung maliit na tent. So katatapos ko lang mag-setup, medyo pagod pa. So mga kasama natin, mga kapatid, ayan, mga family friends natin. So Kuya Jeff, sawa ni Ate April, si Ate April. Ayun. Syempre, dyan sila Kuya Alvin, no? Kaway muna after 3 months ang upload.
Hi guys!
Hello sa vlog ko. After 3 months ang upload, ayun si Ate Ruby.
Salamat
siya.
sa ating
Ayun. Sa wakas.
natuloy
na.
bayad ko kayong pamahal.
Natuloy na.
Magaling di pala mamala. Mabad yung sa take na, di ba ako nakabili?
So, magkakaroon tayo ng mga check natin yung Ayun, no? Check natin yung mga setup ng ating mga family friends. Alright, check natin yung loob. Ayan ang setup nila. Alright, so huwag tayong maingay. Titingnan natin si Chard. Kasi si Chard, natutulog na siya rito. Oh, syempre, huwag tayong maingay doon. Si Rhea, hello. For 3 months ang upload. Hello! Si Reynel. Si Reynel. Tara, kuha na natin sila ron. Patar Bolinao. Panalong panalo. Camera ba yan?
Kaway ka, dali. Ano pangalan mo?
1,000 meters yung lalim.
1,000 meters?
Uy, naka-ano to?
Video?
Yeah. Lalabas sa after 3 months.
Baka naka-ano lang naman yan.
Tagal mo naman. Ang tagal mo. Ito pala.
Waterproof yan?
Hindi. Yung action, yung waterproof.
Paano tayo mag...
Ano? Ano mong pinaproblema mo, Ses?
Promote mo na yun
Ha?
na.
Ses, ano saan kami magpa-follow? Dali! Lalabas niya yung ano mo, yung TikTok account.
Please follow and subscribe.
At literally handpick.
Wow! Iya. Ganda ng outfit ni Kuya Alvin, no? Oh.
Brandon dyan, oh. Shein.
Shein! Oh, madam.
Ano kasi tayo? Wala akong negosyo.
Bagang camera yan.
Yes.
Parang nag-vlog ka.
Yeah. Si Ate Rhea. Lalabas na after 3 months. May bata. Oo. Walaan niyo kung kanino to. Siyan, ba't pabalik-balik ka dyan? Saan ako dadaan? Ganda ng pusa, oh. Ganda ng pusa. Anong masasabi mo? Ha? Anong masasabi mo? Tumingin ka dito, dali.
Ayla, nag-vlog na sila guys.
Yes, guys. Ay! Lumubog ako! Ate Yana! Ate Yana! Paano ka na dyan? Ate! Ito, batang negro, oh. Oh, batang negro. Ate Yana, nasa ni pa mo, ate.
Hindi ka may bata, tignan mo yung bata. Kamay ka bata.
Ay!
Kikipagdalo lang siya sa amin.
Ha?
Lalim pa mo. Sobrang lalim.
Wala, Ate Yana, yung buhok mo, punong-puno na ng ano.
Siya po naglagay niya natin. Siya naglagay.
Hala.
Mati na may pusa.
Nakita ko nga, sobrang cute.
When do stars fade their light? As the moon and sun make it right for you. The world may be like an endless storm, chasing a mystery. Is there in your heart? Does your body drop and tell you to stop loving you, loving me? When it all falls down, you just sing with me. 'Cause there's a blue sky waiting tomorrow, waiting tomorrow, shining and shimmering. A blue sky waiting tomorrow, waiting tomorrow. Maybe it's all we need. Oh, won't you wash away that smile? Just look out a window and see the light. It's beautiful to be alive. It's wonderful to live a life. The sun is sure to shine for you and me, for everyone. So don't be sad, it's just the start of a new beginning in your life. A blue sky waiting tomorrow, waiting tomorrow, shining and shimmering. A blue sky waiting tomorrow, waiting tomorrow. Maybe it's all we need. Rain will keep on pouring. Some things you can't control. While the sun seems far and hard to hold, it will unfold. There will always be a blue sky waiting tomorrow, full of